Changing the Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code vscode is essential for working on different projects that may require different versions of Python or different environments. If you find that the interpreter is not working as expected, follow these steps to troubleshoot and change it effectively. Step 1. Open vscode. Launch Visual Studio Code. Step 2. Open the command palette 1. You can access the command palette by pressing ctrl shift or shift on macos. Step 3. Select Python Interpreter 1. Step 3. In the command palette, type Python, select Interpreter and select it. This will show a list of available Python interpreters on your machine. Step 4. Choose the correct interpreter 1. The macos interpreter From the list, select the desired Python interpreter. This may include System Python installations, virtual environments, or Anaconda environments. If you do not see the interpreter you want, make sure that it is installed correctly on your system. You can also add a virtual environment to your project if needed. Step 5. Verify the selected interpreter 1. To verify that you have selected the correct interpreter, you can look at the bottom left corner of the vscode window. The selected interpreter will be displayed there. You can also check by running the following code. In a new terminal Python import sys executable, this will display the path of the currently active Python interpreter. Step 6. Create or activate a virtual environment if needed. If you want to use a virtual environment but it's not working, you may need to create or activate it. Creating a virtual environment, open the terminal in vscode curl and run bash python venv me replace me with your desired environment name. Activating the virtual environment on Windows bash me scripts activate, on macOS Linux bash source me bin activate 3. After activating the virtual environment, repeat step 3 to select the interpreter from that environment. Step 7. Check for Python extension. Make sure you have the official Python extension for vscode installed. You can check this by going to the extensions view Ctrl+Shift+X and searching for Python. If it's not installed, install it. Example code to test the interpreter. Once you have selected the correct interpreter, you can test it with a simple Python script. Create a new file named test.py. Python test.py import sysdef main print current Python executable, sys executable print Python version, sys version if name main run the script by using the terminal bash Python test.py. You should see output indicating the Python executable and version being used. Troubleshooting tips: if you are still facing issues, try restarting vscode. Ensure no other extensions are conflicting with the Python extension. Check for global environment variables that might affect the Python path. For global If you are using Anaconda, you can create and select environments using the Anaconda navigator or command line. By following these steps, you should be able to change the Python interpreter in vscode successfully and ensure that it is working as expected.